and type bit.ly/sritemp. So this will give us the template file. So in template file I have created all the settings and I've kept it ready. Fine. If you have to do the settings from beginning, it will take a lot of time. So I wanted to save that time. That's why I have created all the settings and I have kept it here. So you just have to click download. Once it is downloaded, open it in AutoCAD. So this is what it looks like. Okay. So first thing you have to do is reduce the line weight, LW. LW will give us line weight. Line weight you have to reduce it. Only first this much you have to keep. If you keep it high now, it will appear very very thick. Bhadda bhadda dikhta, okay? So reduce it to this much. It looks neat and tidy, right? So these diagrams you can just delete it because these are for first years. Okay. And also you can start drawing it outside because the diagram is very big, it will go outside the box. Okay. So this is where you have to start drawing. Next thing you have to do is you have to go to your Moodle. Okay, let's go to our college website, methodist.edu.in, Moodle 30, then sign in. Okay, or your after what is this? UMA. Yeah, so once you sign in, you have to go to home. In the home you will see two courses. We are doing machine drawing and modeling. So actually this lab was called machine drawing and modeling earlier. So right now it is called computer aided machine drawing, CAMDA. Okay. So you should go down to rivets and fittings, and this is where the entire explanation is there for rivets. So first, what are rivets, how they are joined? Fine. So this is the rivet head before snapping. After you hit it from top, both sides will become round, and this is what you need to draw. So these are the different types of rivet heads. Okay, so we are mainly focusing on snap head. So using snap head we have to create this diagram. So this is single riveted snap head type, single riveted snap head type lap joint. Fine. Lap क्यों? Because it is one over the other. बट जॉइंट मतलब इट विल बी साइडवेज, साइड से टच होता है, राइट? सो ये डायमेंशंस लेके हमको कंप्लीट करना है डॉट. रेडी? सो स्टार्ट. सो टेक अ हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन फर्स्ट. ऑर्थो ऑन रखेंगे तो यू विल गेट एग्जैक्ट हॉरिजॉन्टल. फाइन. व्हाट इज द थिकनेस ऑफ द प्लेट? यस, 16. So thickness of the plate is 16. So let's draw 16. So O enter, 16 enter. Write it down if you don't remember. Okay. O enter is for offset. Offset distance I have taken 16 on both the sides. Next I'll take a random line somewhere here. So this line becomes my starting point. So from here I need to take an angle. What is the angle I need to take? 10 degrees. Fine. So okay. You can see here the angle is 10 degrees. So that 10 degrees I have to take. So for 10 degrees I should turn on the polar settings and click on the small arrow and choose 10, 20, 30, all it will show. So now take line, L enter. From this point, this is 90. So shift left. This is 10 degrees. Fine. So now TR double enter, click this. Now from here, some distance is there to the axis. What is the distance up to axis? 1.5D. So take 1.5D. First you have to calculate D. What is the value of D? You are getting 24. How you are getting 24? So 6 times under root of 3. 6 times under root of T. T value is 16. So that is giving us 24. So that 24 we have to take. So offset, D value is 24, but we have to take how much? How much distance? 1.5 times D. How much distance? 1.5 times D. So that 24 we have to multiply. 24 into 1.5. What do we get? 36. So take O enter, 36 enter. From this line left. Once again this line left. Why did I take 2 times? So from here to the axis, and from axis to the lower plate. Fine. So this side we can extend to any length. This side also we can extend to any length. Fine. So this is where the bottom plate is stopping. So again I have to take line vertical 10 degrees. Over. Now TR, double enter, trim it. All unnecessary lines you have to trim it. This is not needed, not needed. Axis line, make it long. Remove this. Over. So now you have to draw the rivet head. Okay. So this rivet head diameter is D. D is how much? 24. 24 means how much offset we need to take? Half on both sides now. So O enter, 12 on both sides, 12 on this side, 12 on this side. Again TR, double enter, trim it. Then TR, double enter again, remove this also. Okay. Now we need the top dome. So what dimensions are given for dome? Here 1.6 D, that is the diameter, and then height is 0.7 D. So what you can do is you can take 1.6 D means the radius will be 0.8 D, and this height is less than 0.8 D. So center of the circle should come a little below. How much below? 0.1 D below. 0.1 D means how much? D value is how much? D value is 24. 0.1 into D, 2.4. So O enter, 2.4 enter, this below. So center of the circle should lie here. So C enter, circle, take the intersection point. What should be diameter? So what is 1.6 D? Calculate. 1.6 D. 1.6 into D. D is 24. So we are getting 38.4. So 38.4 divided by 2. We want radius now. So 19.2. So 19.2. Over. This line is not needed. And we need to trim this. So TR. Gone. So now height from here to here is 0.7 D. Diameter from this end to this end is 1.6 D. Clear? So now we need the same here. So will you again create it? What is the command you will use? Mirror. Which command? So select it, then MI, select it, MI enter, then click 2 points on the mirror line. Again press enter. Over. Then you can just pull this a little closer. Should not be very far away. Okay, and then join this. So this line no dimension. Okay. So this is how you can show the broken line. Okay. This is how you can show the broken line. Clear? Over now everything. Now only thing remaining is hatch. What is the command for hatch? H enter. So do H enter. You will get patterns here. Where are the patterns? Which pattern do we want? ANSI 31. Which cross section? ANSI 31. So click on that. Then click the top areas. Fine. Now here the lower hatch we need in opposite direction. We need it in opposite direction. Check here. So this is slanting on right side. This bottom is slanting on left side. So we have to keep the two slants opposite. So again give hatch command. So instead of putting, now we are getting same slant, but we want opposite. So we have to rotate. Where is the angle? Angle is located here, right? So select the angle, type 90, enter, and now again click two hatches. Over. After everything is created, you have to apply the properties. How to apply properties? So properties I have kept here now. So you can move it closer to you, right? So these properties we have to apply here. All the visible edges. What is the command for match properties? MA. Write it. Bhul jate phir. MA enter. Then which property you want? I want solid property. So click on solid, and whichever edge is visible, select all those edges. Coming up. Whichever edges are visible, select all those edges. Selected. Then this line is axis line. Again MA enter, choose axis, select axis. Over. And then we have to draw the top view. How to draw top view? I have to start here. From this point start. Okay. Then take some length here. So from here another length. Then from here another length. Then from bottom one more line. Okay. Here also from top another line we need. Okay. And then from axis. Correct. So at this point there will be a hole. At this point there will be a hole. Fine. So draw the hole. So here we need to draw the hole. So what will be the diameter? Diameter will be same as this now, from this point up to here. Correct. So 24 diameter. Move it here. Then again trim. Command TR, double enter. TR, double enter. Fine. Then extend this. Okay. Extend this, mate it here. Then extend this, come to here. TR, double enter, remove it. Okay. So now from here we need the distance. How much is the distance? What is the distance? Yes ma'am. What is the distance? This is axis line. Let me make it axis line. This line is also axis line. Okay. So what is the distance? Check here. The distance is P. And what is P? P value I have given at the top. P value is 3 times D. So 3 times 24. What do we get? 72. So O enter, 72 enter. How many times we need to take? 1, 2. Okay. And third one we can just take a line here and we can end it here. Okay. End it here. Over. So now we need to create the circles and we need to apply the this one. Okay. So how many circles? And which circle will be visible? Both circles will be visible. So center for this you have to take from here. Okay. So the same thing when you project it, it will appear like this. So we have done the calculation and drawn it here now. So if you draw a vertical line from here, it should touch exactly. Fine. So what I have done is I have drawn it here itself and then I have moved it. Okay. So now match properties. MA, which edges are visible? Make them visible. Okay. Outer one will be visible. Outer one will be visible. This will be visible. Inner one. What happens to inner one? Hidden. Not axis. Hidden is different, axis is different. A hidden edge we have to apply on this line. Okay. So this is the completed diagram. Fine. So slightly more, one more step we can do here. So we can take one extra line here. Okay. We can trim it here. And this line will become hidden because it is the lower plate. है ना? लोअर प्लेट है ना वो. सो लोअर प्लेट हिडन रहता, ये अपर प्लेट यहीं पे ख़त्म हो जा रहा, लोअर प्लेट यहाँ तक आ रहा. एंड देन this line will be visible, right? This line will be visible. This line will be on the lower side, so it won't be visible. The small details are there, but they play a very important role. Fine. So draw it carefully, and then you can just break. Like this, you can remove it. Okay. Copy it. Okay. Over. So you can extend it, drag it, and then trim it. Fine. You can do the same work with multiple commands. And I know more commands, so I'll be using more complex commands. Don't worry about that. If you know simple commands, trim, extend, use them to do everything. TR double enter. Extend is EX double enter. So like that we can do it.